If a man at B exerts a force P is equals to 30 pounds on his rope, determine the magnitude of the force F the man at C must exert to prevent the pole from rotating, so the resultant moment about A of both forces is zero. So, natin makita nyo is may point B na pa-time pa-incline na may 45 degrees dali na wala yung na 30 pounds. Natin siya distances na 6 feet o 12 feet. Nga kanina point C lapit is nasa F which is ano o wala yung mga triangle na formula is 5, 3, 4.
So first, to solve this, we need to break down the forces x and y. Since it is vertical line, so our y component is 0. So first, we have, since it is 45 degree, this will be 45 degree. So our P of x is simply 30 cosine 45, and our y component is 0. Next is our f. Our f of x is equal to f times 4/5. Now we can do summation of moment along A, point A. So, summation of moment along A is equal to 0. So, first is 30 cosine 45, and its distance is 12 plus 6, so 18. And then next is f of x, which is clockwise, which is negative f times 4/5, and its distance is 12 feet. It's equal to 0. Next is we gonna transpose this f. So we have 30 cosine 45 times 18 is equal to f 4/5 times 12. So divide both sides by 4/5 times 12. 4/5 times 12. So cancel. We have now our f, which is 39.77 pound.
Anong na-18 na siya? Saan hindi po?
Kaya anong 18 ni sugod dire pa doon dire. Ang kaning distance ang maagian dali is 6 o 12. So ato ra nang ian 6 plus 12 mga may mga 18.
Anong period ang igamit instead of 18?
Kaya anong 12 ni dili 18. Kaya ano naman siya, ang kaning point C, since dili man sugod, wala kayo dire, ang distance niya is 12, wala man siya ni ikat sa 6. So, wala nang gamitin para doon, para mag-connect dito.
So, determine the moment of the force F about A as a function of theta, plot the results of M ordinate versus abscissa 0, less than theta and less than 20 degree. Choose at least 3 values of theta.
So first we need to have an imaginary resultant. here. So in order to get that, so we have to square the 3 and 2. So we have square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared. So we have now summation of MA maximum. So 400 times this 3 squared plus 2 squared. So we have 1,442.2. So we need to divide that to 1,000. So the answer is 1.442 kilonewton per meter. Then next is we need to solve for theta. So we have 8 r tan 2/3. So our theta is 33.69 degrees. So after this, we need to solve for t. Our formula for t is 90 degrees minus theta. So since we have the value of our theta, so we have 90 degrees minus 33.69 degrees equals 86.31 of t.
So, since we have the theta, we can solve our minimum in summation of MA. So, equal to 180 minus theta. Since we have the theta here, so we can just plug in 180 minus 33.69. So we have 146.21. Next, as you can see this diagram, we have 400 Newton. This is our x-axis for our horizontal and this is our vertical. So 400 times 2, which is our 2 meter and 3 meter. So just 2 plus 400 plus 400 times 3, 1,200. 200.
So we have now the given of our previous topic. So first we need to connect this value to our t. So we have this graph. Our 1.442 kilonewton meters connected to 56.31 degrees. Next is our 1,200 Newton meter is connected to our minimum, which is 146.31. So we'll drop in our curved line is going here to 180.
Go. Nakoy panguta na, nganong 33.69 man ang theta?
So, asa na ito na yung mga theta? So, yun yun na nagpagkukuha. Magkuha nag-inverse tan dahil na itong 2 o ang 3 meter. So, makuha rin tao. Theta nga 33.69 degrees.
Ngayon, 2 over 3 man ang higamit sa inverse tan.
So, ano kung 2 ang gigamit instead sa 3? So, ang y na to 3,